Hey guys, so from the title of this video, you already know what is going on. I am the newest Mary Kay consultant and I'm super excited about it. I have always known about Mary Kay. I was never really interested in selling Mary Kay, only because I felt like I couldn't sell anything. I still think I can't sell anything, but I feel like Mary Kay kind of sells itself. A lot of people are return clients. They know what they love and they just go for it. So that speaks a lot for the brand, in my opinion. So to be honest, I've only gone to maybe 2 Mary Kay parties in my entire life. I'm 34 years old, and I can tell you exactly when I went to these parties. I was like in my early 20s, and I was just getting into makeup. Well, I take that back. I had been wearing makeup since high school, but I was just getting into it to where I was doing more than foundation and powder. I was doing like eyeliner, lipstick, things like that. And I had gone to some parties with co-workers, and I happened to be the only black girl there. And at both parties, neither one of the sales consultants could match me. And no lie, I looked like I was embalmed. And that just kind of stuck with me over the years. And I was like, yeah, anytime somebody would try to sell me Mary Kay, I would be like, yeah, whatever. Like, I don't want to look like I'm dead. So let me continue with my whatever I was wearing at the time. I think I had just gotten into MAC, but I never gave it another thought. Well, fast forward to, I guess it was about 2019, a friend of mine, her aunt started sending me messages on Facebook, and she was like, I'm selling Mary Kay. Like, I would love to use your face as one of my models. And I was like, okay, that's fine. And I was looking at her pictures and I'm like, well, if she's selling Mary Kay, and then she's probably wearing Mary Kay, and her makeup always looked good. And I'm like, why didn't I know about this years ago? Like, why wasn't I able to see this on darker complexion skins? And I'm like, I feel like I'm cheated. But I never thought twice about it. I was like, okay, I'll do it. And then she talked me into selling Mary Kay. So I was like, well, I'll give it a shot. Like, especially, this was recently in 2020 when the pandemic hit. I was like, well, I'm not working, so I may as well sell Mary Kay. And that kind of pushed me into this. I signed up actually Saturday. It is now Thursday. My days are getting mixed up because, I've been sitting in the house. It is now Thursday, and my kit just arrived probably about an hour ago. But I was like, well, let me just give it a shot. Like, what do I have to lose? So I'm about to open my kit and embark on this journey of selling Mary Kay. So I'm bringing you guys along with me. I do plan on hopefully using my kit to do tutorials and things like that. I believe I read somewhere that was okay. But I'm excited about it. So I'm going to do an unboxing right now and share all my goodies with you. So this box is heavy, so bear with me. It's very heavy. Funny story, I just went to the doctor yesterday to get my cortisone shots, and I am still weak. So how am I supposed to? Oh, all right. All right. It's up here. Smile Mary Kay box. All right, let me quit doing that because I'm going to drop it. So, I have scissors somewhere. So, let's chit chat while I try to open this box. What has everybody been up to during the pandemic? I hope all is well with everyone, and I hope everybody is taking this seriously and staying at home, unless you need to go out or you are essential. I'm essential, but kids are doing e-learning, so I don't really have to go to school like that. So I've been staying home and going to the grocery store. Literally feels like I go to the grocery store every day, which I don't, but it just feels like it because that's the only time I go out. All right, so let's see what is in here. I don't know what to look at first. So, okay, this is my receipt, I believe. Okay, it's the receipt. All right, now that we've got past that, let us dig in. I'm excited to see like what kind of makeup and things like that are in here. So this is the Mary Kay Connections Successes in the Cards. Congratulations on starting your Mary Kay business. Now it's time to get your name out there. So this is pretty much for the business cards that I have already ordered. I've already been online and I set up my website, which I will link in the description box, and I ordered a few business cards. Now I know people don't do business cards anymore. I have other businesses that I've had business cards for, and I don't typically do business cards. I'll just kind of send you something on your phone or find you on social media. So this is the spring 2020 catalog, and it's a few of those. It looks like, I'm gonna guess about 10. So that's one thing that's in here. 2020 catalog. A flyer that says bring your besties, $25 off your purchase of your own starter kit. So it's actually recruiting more people to come sell Mary Kay. So I'll probably really use this because I have a friend that wants to do it as well. Now, hello, gorgeous. Hey, girl. This is, let's see. Oh, that's cute. Welcome to your Mary Kay business. You're the reason Mary Kay Ash founded this company over 53 years ago and poured her heart into the rest of it for the rest of her days. And we are so proud that you choose to share your heart with the new generation of women. With this starter kit, you can take the first steps towards creating a successful Mary Kay business. Your time is now. And with Mary Kay and the sisterhood of friends and mentors by your side, today and every day can be your day. That is super cute. I like how it has a little pop-up thing. That's cute. Oh, I have a Mary Kay bag. That's pretty cool. How did they know I love duffel bags? Let's see. And it's black. Black is my favorite color, if y'all don't already know. Because literally, almost in every video, I'm wearing black. Today, I have on red because I'm pretty sure y'all are tired of seeing me in black. Like I'm in mourning. But I have a Mary Kay bag. So I'm guessing I put all my samples in here, maybe? Or other thing. Ooh, the inside of it is really pretty. It looks like, I don't know, abstract flowers. Not necessarily flowers that are formed, but they kind of look abstract to me. But it's really pretty. And I would imagine with these compartments in here, this is for the samples to go in. I love it. I'm gonna be professional looking. Thanks, Mary. All right, now we're just gonna, this is the heavy part. Lord. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this out there. If that back is for these samples, I'm not gonna be able to make it. Oh my God. If just one more woman today discovers how great she really is, it will be a great day. I like that. That's a Mary Kay Ash. Oh, you can see my ring light. That's one of her quotes. So, I don't know if you can see it. All right, let's look and see what is in this box. I'm so excited. So I feel like I need to open this. I need to kind of turn the camera, maybe. Oh, what is happening? Okay. So, if you can still see me, it says, today is your day. Isn't that cute? And it has flowers everywhere. Flowers are literally my favorite. Okay. So let's just do that like that. All right, so here we have something. Engage your party guests every single time. So this is for a house party tray. I'm just gonna open it. Hopefully I keep all the cards together. So it looks like, oh, you put different products, or it tells you about different products on here. So this just says Mary Kay, and then this is Time Wise Repair Ball Firm. So I have those little cards for when I do the in-house parties. And Steps to Success. And it has a pink Cadillac in the back. So just an FYI, whenever I get to that status, I will be driving a pink Cadillac because, you know, drama. And then, like, they really did sell me on these cars. Like, once you get to certain levels, you get jackets and cars and things of that nature. And I'm all for it. So that's just a brochure on telling you the steps that you take whenever you meet certain levels or certain goals to reach different levels. All right, Ready, Set, Sail. This is another brochure, and it tells you about selling made simple. So I'm not gonna give away all the little secrets in this video. You can actually join and receive your own kit to do that, to learn more about selling tips. This is an awesome opportunity. The fun is a bonus. Today is your day to share the fun now that you have a super cute team building. Check out the tips to get you going. So these are more tips on starting the business. Mary Kay Start. So this is a little magazine that I will be reading. A 2019-2020 planner. Now, let me just say, I don't know that I need this during this pandemic because I don't know when this pandemic is ending, but I'm just joking. I can still use it for online sales and things like that. Just making a joke about planners since everybody's like, I bought a 2020 planner and now I don't need it. But it's a cute little planner. It has a little plastic over the cover. It's really cute. So now I have another planner. Everybody that knows me knows I get a planner each year. So, and I live by my planner. Because I have to write everything down or else I will forget it. Miracles Happen. Mary Kay Ash. The life and timeless principles of the founder of Mary Kay Incorporated. Oh, it's a memoir. So we'll definitely be reading this. Oops. We have a binder. So this seems like something that I would use. Okay, get the party started. So it's for whenever I have parties. Look at all those flowers. Y'all don't understand. I love me some flowers. So this is a party binder. Alright, I'm gonna sit these in the floor before I drop them. Okay, let's see. What else? Markers and little pieces of paper to write on. That's really cute. Oops. I would use these for thank you cards. It's really cute. They're just blank on the inside. Some markers and thank you cards. I choose Mary Kay. I don't know if that's yet. All right, now the good stuff. We have samples. All right, this is a translucent powder. That is always a good thing. Whenever you're doing your makeup, just go over it with some translucent powder. Girl, you in there like swimwear. Ooh, yes. All right, now we have disposable facial cloths. I also have oil-free eye makeup remover. We have 2 Time-Wise bottles. Age Minimized 3D 4-in-1 cleanser. So we have 2 of these. There has to be a difference because one is pink and one is purple. This is, the pink one is for normal skin and the purple is for combination skin. I am combination. I'm oily in the T-zone and then everywhere else dry. It blows my mind. I'm like, how does that work? I don't know if I would prefer to be oily everywhere or just oily right here. I remember when I first started wearing makeup, like back in high school, I was oily. Like, it was just my nose. And that was it. Like, everything else was perfect. But my nose, like, you can kind of see it now. It's probably mainly the light, but yeah, oily. Oily girl. So this is Ultimate Mascara. everything. Okay, I'm just gonna pull all these out. I have CC cream. One is, they're both SPF 15. There has to be a difference between these two CC creams. Okay, one is medium to deep and one is deep. I think all of these are CC creams. So I have very deep, very light, light to medium, and then the other two that I just mentioned. All right, I have little trays. This is Satin Hands. So it's the pampering set, and it contains the hand cream, Nourishing Shade hand cream, and then a scrub. I don't know why I'm looking through it, looking at it through the bag. Let me just open it. It's mine. Okay, so you have the Nourishing hand cream, the scrub, and a protecting softener. I don't even think I knew about this. I'm excited to try that. All right, this looks like maybe eyeshadow. Ooh, I'm right. So I have a little thing with the colors. These are always fun to use. And this is for the foundation, so I can match you. Then we have applicators. And then I have these color card samples. And this has your lip color and eyeshadow. I'm holding it upside down. So that's what that is. So I got your samples, girl. All right. Next up, we have Time Wise Age Minimized 3D Eye Cream. And the rest of these in here are Time Wise. So we have Day Cream. And these, I think all 4 of these are Day Cream. Or no, 2 are Day Cream and 2 are Night Cream. So, and this is for combination skin and oily skin, and the same for these. So the pink, normal to dry skin, and the purple is combination skin. I'm just going to set these right here. These are a mirror and a bag. So whenever I do have the in-house party, I have my supplies. Oh, that's a cute little bag. A little makeup bag and a mirror. Oh, looks like it sits up like this. That is cute. So it does like that. And then you go put your little samples right there. Try them out. That's super cute. Okay, I don't want to break it. All right. So I have a few of those. And then the rest of these just look like customer profile. So whenever you do a party or you're just getting the customer's information, you're able to put down whether they have sensitive skin, whether it's dry, tight, normal, like just all of the information about their skin you put on here. This looks like the order card, and it is. So invoices. And then last but not least, these are, this pretty much tells you how to do makeup. I'm already seeing that, but I haven't even opened it. How to apply. So that has the eyeshadow on here. This has contouring. Pretty cool. And these, today's your day for beautiful skin. And this has information about the Time Wise collection and the basic skincare. So that is everything that is in my box. I'm super excited to get started. So everything is out. My cute little box. But I'm super excited to get started, and if you have any questions or would like to order anything, have a party, we can do a virtual party, please let me know. And I enjoyed sharing this with you, so definitely I'll be back with some tutorials. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.